If you've been searching for Andreas Oriano, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it actually legit, or is it just another scam? Let's take an honest look. I spent some time researching Andreas Oriano to see what it's all about. Like with many online platforms, there are both positive claims and a few concerns. That's why it's important not to believe every promise you see online. From what I found, Andreas Oriano appears to offer products or services through its online platform. Some users report having a smooth experience, while others say they expected more. That's pretty common with many businesses today. One thing I always recommend is checking for clear contact information, refund policies, and customer support before spending any money. A legitimate business should make these details easy to find. You should also read recent customer reviews from different websites instead of relying only on testimonials displayed on the company's own page. Independent reviews usually give you a more balanced picture. Another thing to watch out for is unrealistic promises. If a website claims you'll get amazing results with almost no effort, that's always a reason to be cautious. Legitimate businesses usually explain both the benefits and the limitations of what they offer. So, is Andreas Oriano legit? Based on the available information, I didn't find enough evidence to call it an outright scam. However, I also think you should do your own research before making a purchase. Read the terms, compare reviews, and never rush into a decision.